Hello everybody, did you download Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on the Xbox Game Pass? You were excited to play the game but you couldn't due to an annoying error. And then you spent a couple hours googling how to fix that error and none of the fixes have worked so far. Well, in this video I'm going to try to show you how to fix that error, so watch the rest of the video to find out how. Well, I think I've discovered every single fix for every single error in Black Ops 6 so far. So let's go through them one by one. Every single method, try not to skip any steps. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that Xbox PC app and the Game Services app are on the same directory as Call of Duty. They have to be installed on the same game directory or the game will crash. I don't know why, it's very odd, but this is true. If this is the case, if you have downloaded Call of Duty on your D drive and your Xbox app is on your C drive, the game will not run. You will need to reinstall the Xbox game app. After you've reinstalled it, you would need to move the Call of Duty files to the correct folder, of course. Now, after you've done this, and this is very important, you want to open Call of Duty. So right click on Call of Duty, hit Files, hit Browse. You'll see Call of Duty here, click on this. You'll see Content, click on this. Go down to the COD executable, COD.exe. Right click on this, hit Properties, hit Compatibility, and click on Run this program as an administrator. And hit Apply. If this doesn't work, you can try running this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7. Even if you're not actually running Windows 7, this does seem to help for some people. But running this game as an administrator fixes a lot of issues. But again, it's very important that COD is installed on the same drive as your Xbox game app. I don't know why this is important, but it is. Okay, after you've made sure of that and you've turned on the administrator, what you want to do is make sure you're not running any kind of anti-cheat for other games. So this is Vanguard anti-cheat for Valorant. That's the biggest one that messes people up. This will basically make the game not run properly. This will result in a crash. Now, if you've done both of those things and the game still isn't running, what you want to do is uninstall the game and you want to reinstall just the base game and then run it and see if it runs fine, if there's any errors. And if it runs fine, then you want to only install the packages that you need. If you want to play multiplayer, then just install multiplayer. If you want to install zombies, want to play zombies, then only install zombies and things like that. This does seem to help a lot of people for some reason. Now, if you've done all of that and it still doesn't work, what you can try is right click on this in your Xbox game app, hit Manage, hit Files, hit Verify and Repair. This will take a couple of minutes, but this will verify and repair the files to make sure there is still no corruption. If this still didn't work, what you want to do is use PowerShell. So go to search, type in PowerShell. You will see Windows PowerShell here. Right click, hit Run as Administrator, hit Yes. I will put these commands in the video description below, but copy and paste the first one here. And what this does, it gets an app package from Microsoft.GamingServices, and this installs this package into the Xbox game app. So you want to copy and paste the second code here. Click on Install. I have it installed, so I don't need to do this. It will still ask me to reboot my Xbox game app, so I'm going to close and reboot it. Now, after you have done that, go to your Xbox game app, left click on your profile on the top left, go to Support, and you will see Gaming Services Repair Tool here. It wasn't here before. And then you want to click on Start Repairing, and this will repair the files in your Xbox game app games. Okay, the next and final step will solve the issue for the most people. So I've uploaded bat files to the video description. Win 10 for people on Windows 10 and Win 11 for people on Windows 11. Now some antivirus software will flag these as viruses. They are certainly not, but I will also upload TXT versions of these files. Just change the file extension to .bat and double click it, and you're good to go. So once you have this bat file, right click on it, hit run as administrator. This will pop up. It's looking for the folder location of Call of Duty. Now how you get that, open your Xbox Game Pass, right click on Call of Duty, hit manage, hit files, hit browse. It will come up here, hit Call of Duty, hit content, and copy and paste the file path on the top of your screen. Paste it into this executable. It will run and stop, quit Xbox Game Pass and restart it, and then try running Call of Duty. Now one of these should have solved your issue. If it did, please leave the video a comment saying it worked. If it didn't, leave the video a comment and I will do my best to get back to you about how to fix the issue. Thank you for watching.